Tips and tricks with this 14 by 8 foot pool. The biggest one, getting all the wrinkles out of the bottom of the pool before we started filling it with water. Had about 6 inches and realized there were wrinkles, and it took us a good half hour to get them mostly out, and we still weren't able to get a couple of them out. So definitely get those out before you fill it with water. Second big tip, if you're putting it on a pad of sand or dirt like we did 18 feet long, which was perfect, but we only did it 10 feet wide, which we thought would be enough. It wasn't. I wish we'd have gone about 14 feet instead of 10 feet. As you can see, the pool's on the dirt, but the supports aren't. The poles here, straighten them as the water is filling, because once it's full, like this one here, I'm not gonna be able to straighten that unless I dump out all the water. And lastly, there are no instructions with the ladder, but there is an A pole and a B pole for both sides. And if you look here, there is an A and a B. So, again, there's no instructions. That may seem dumb, simple, but there weren't any instructions, and it took us a couple of tries to get it there. Otherwise, the pool filled in about 5 hours, and we're happy with it. Very happy with it. Well, here she is. This is the, 14 by 8, I think, foot, 14 by 8. Setup was really easy. The instructions weren't great, but just judging by the pictures, we were able to figure out how to do it. The whole family was out, and so it took us about, an hour to put the whole thing together. And that's after messing a few things up. The ladder gave us some trouble just because there weren't any instructions with the ladder, and we had to figure it out. But once we figured it out, it went smoothly. Couple of tips for you. We'd put about 6 inches of water in before we realized that the base was full of wrinkles, so we had to go in and iron the wrinkles out, and that was a challenge. It would have been nice to have that foresight beforehand to get them all out before we put water in. We built this dirt pad because we've got all these rocks. We didn't want that on the bottom, but it built a dirt pad that was 16 feet by 10 feet, and I wish we had made it a couple of feet wider. 10 feet just was not enough. The footprint on this thing, you can see the edge of the pad right there. This extends another 1.5 to 2 feet on this side, and is about the same on that side too. We tried to get it straight, but it was just impossible. Just impossible, but it went together well. I'm happy with where it's at. Eventually we're gonna, put some stuff around it, but yeah. Oh, and it took about 5 hours. Oh, we still got wrinkles. Dang it. Oh well, it's got took about 5 hours for us to fill, which isn't terrible, if we're being honest. It's actually really good, and you'll notice it does dip in the middle on both sides, and that's primarily because it just bows out here in the middle. All in all, I'm really happy with it. Really happy with it. My kids love it. There's a drain there, but there's also level drains here, there, and there, so that you can have it more shallow if you want. We wanted it deeper though, because it's really not that deep to begin with. It's only about 40 inches, if that. It came with the pump and everything else. We just haven't installed it yet. We put this up late last night. My daughters went swimming in it this morning. It was really, really cold, but they couldn't resist. But yeah, all in all, we're very happy with it.